Good day, I will now presenting about the awareness of the student to help eliminate the sexual transmitted disease. Sexual transmitted disease, also known as sexual transmitted infection, are infections that are passed from one person to another through sexual contact. STD are very common and can affect people of ages, races, and gender. The most common STD includes chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and HIV. This infection can be spread through vaginal, oral, and anal sex, as well as through other forms of sexual contact. More than 1 million sexually transmitted infections are acquired every day worldwide, the majority of which are asymptomatic. Each year, there are estimated 374 million new infections, with 1 of 4 curable. Sexually transmitted disease, chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, and trichomoniasis in 2020 who estimated 374 million new infections, with 1 of 4 sexually transmitted disease. Chlamydia have 129 million, gonorrhea has 82 million, syphilis 7.1 million, and trichomoniasis has 156 million. STD can cause long-term health complications and even death in severe cases. It is important to understand the causes and effect of STD to take necessary steps to prevent them. STD are caused by the variety of pathogens such as bacteria, virus, and fungi. Common STD includes chlamydia, gonorrhea, genital herpes, syphilis, HIV or AIDS, trichomoniasis, and human papillomavirus. All STD are spread through sexual contact, including oral, anal, and vaginal sex, as well as through contact with infected body fluids such as semen, blood, and saliva. The primary effect of STD is on reproductive and sexual health. STD can lead difficulties conceiving and also can cause of miscarriages. Many women who contract STD may experience pelvic pain and may also have a higher risk of developing cervical cancer. Men who contract STD may experience painful urination and swallowing testicles. STD can also have a serious psychological effect. Individuals may feel shame, embarrassment, anxiety, and depression. This also leads to issues such as low esteem and social isolation. Furthermore, some STDs such as HIV can have a major impact on the quality of life. STDs also cause long-term health problems, and they can increase a person's risk for a certain cancer, as well as heart, kidneys, and liver disease. HIV can weaken the immune system, making it more difficult to fight infection and illness. These effects are dangerous, that's why we should be aware of this. The most effective way to avoid getting STD is to practice abstinence and avoid all kinds of sexual contact. Abstinence may not be feasible and some people, but it is only method that is 100% effective. Fortunately, there are several other ways to reduce the risk of STD infection, including: first, is using protection. Using latex of condoms and other varieties such as DAMs which are used correctly are effective in preventing the spread of body fluids between partners that can also cause infection. For those in long-term monogamous relationship, testing of STD prior initiating sexual contact is also recommended. Second, mutual monogamy. If someone has multiple partners or choices to have multiple partners, wait until all partners have been tested and found to be STD free. This is the only surefire way to avoid STD infection. Third is know your partner's sexual history. Asking your partner about any previous relationship he or she had can help people to determine their partner's risk factor for STD. Asking about sexual practices can also help identify potential risk. For the fourth is get vaccinated. Vaccines such as the HPV vaccine can reduce a person's risk of infection, while other vaccines such as those for hepatitis A and B also provides protection. Number 5, avoid drug and alcohol use. Drug and alcohol use can impair a person's judgment, leading to unprotected sex and possibility STD transmission. Lastly, regular checkups. Regular checkups can help detect STD and subsequent treatment can reduce the spread of infections. Overall, understanding about STD sexually transmitted disease will allow us to be aware of the causes and effect of this disease. And being knowledgeable can help us to avoid things that may lead us to acquire this disease. There are various ways to avoid this which we should all follow in our own and for our own good. That's all. Thank you.